Good afternoon, children. We have to study about counter reformation. Counter reformation. We already studied about reformation. We know what is reformation and what are the specialities of reformation also we studied. We studied what is reformation and what are the specialities of reformation we studied. As a result of reformation, Roman Catholic Church was divided into two pieces. Roman Catholic Church was divided into two pieces as a result of reformation. One section was the Protestant section. Another section was the Roman Catholic section. During this particular time, people began to move from Roman Catholic Church to Protestant religion. People began to move from the side of Roman Catholic Church to the side of Protestant religion. People began to move. So, the believers of Roman Catholic Church began to think that in future, in future, more people will be there in the Protestant religion and less people will be there in the Roman Catholic Church. People of Europe understood this one. So, some people, some people of Roman Catholic Church made their attempts to purify Roman Catholic Church. Some people of Roman Catholic Church worked hard. Some people of Roman Catholic Church worked hard to purify Roman Catholic Church. That is known by the name Counter Reformation. That means Reformation started against Roman Catholic Church. Reformation started against Roman Catholic Church, but Counter Reformation started inside Roman Catholic Church to purify Roman Catholic Church. There is a difference. Is Ignatius Loyola. Ignatius Loyola was from the land of Spain. Ignatius Loyola came from the land of Spain. Ignatius Loyola. It was Ignatius Loyola who started Counter-Reformation movement inside Roman Catholic Church during 1540. During 1540, he started one association known as Society of Jesus. The association or the organization Society of Jesus was started by Ignatius Loyola. He was from the land of Spain. He was a very rich landlord. He was really a very rich landlord, Ignatius Loyola. He started one association known as Society of Jesus. Through this society, he planned to provide He planned to provide education to the people. Education and medical facilities. Through this association, Ignatius Loyola aimed at providing education to the people of Roman Catholic Church. And through this association, he made a plan to provide medical facilities also to the people. That was the idea of Ignatius Loyola. Ignatius Loyola tried his level best. Ignatius Loyola tried his level best to purify Roman Catholic Church during 1542 onwards. During 1542 onwards, the method of Inquisition was started inside Roman Catholic Church. The method of Inquisition was started inside Roman Catholic Church from 1542 onwards. Who started? The method of Inquisition started inside Roman Catholic Church. The method of Inquisition means, what is the meaning of Inquisition? We have to giving punishment to those people who are criticizing Roman Catholic Church is known as the method of Inquisition. The method of Inquisition started inside the Roman Catholic Church. The method of Inquisition. So, as a result of counter-reformation, as a result of or as a consequence of counter-reformation, all the earlier problems of Roman Catholic Church has been removed or solved. All the problems of Roman Catholic Church has been solved. Roman Catholic Church became more powerful like the old Roman Catholic Church, which was there in Europe before Reformation. Before Reformation. Again, once more I am telling children, see, we have to study about counter-reformation. What is the meaning of counter-reformation? We have to learn. What is meant by counter-reformation? What is the speciality of counter-reformation? We have to know. What is the meaning of this? Already we studied about Reformation movement. Already we studied or already we learned about Reformation movement. Reformation movement was against which one? Reformation movement was against Roman Catholic Church. But counter-reformation movement was a movement that happened inside the Roman Catholic Church to purify Roman Catholic Church. It was Ignatius Loyola who started counter-reformation movement inside the Roman Catholic Church. It was Ignatius Loyola who started counter-reformation movement inside the Roman Catholic Church. During 1540 period, he started Society of Jesus. During the year 1540 period, he started Society of Jesus. Through this society, he began to provide education and medical facilities During 1542 period, a new method started inside Roman Catholic Church. New method. That is known as the method of Inquisition. What is the meaning of the word Inquisition? That we should know. What is meant by Inquisition? Or what is the meaning of the word Inquisition? We have to know. Inquisition means giving punishment to those people who are criticizing Roman Catholic Church is known as Inquisition. The method of Inquisition was started by Roman Catholic Church during 1542 period. So, as a result of or as a consequence of counter reformation, what is that? As a result of counter reformation, all the problems of Roman Catholic Church were solved to a great extent. All the problems of Roman Catholic Church were removed as a result of counter reformation. Then, Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution. What is the meaning of Industrial Revolution? We have to think. What is meant by Industrial Revolution? Industrial Revolution means in the beginning, people were making items with their hand. In the beginning, what is that? Inside the European continent, so many industries were there. In those industries, items were made with the hand. Human power was only using to make items. But what is that? During the time of Industrial Revolution, European industries began to make items with the machines. That was the main reason of Industrial Revolution. So, a change in production from human power to machines is known as Industrial Revolution. What were the reasons? First reason was Renaissance. What is the meaning of this one? So many inventions happened during the Renaissance period. So many inventions took place during the Renaissance period. As a result of those inventions, industrial owners began to use those inventions. Then European countries During this time, some European countries were very powerful during this time. During this particular time, some European countries were very powerful and they began to invest their money in the industries. European countries began to invest their money in the industries. They began to invest their money in the industries. As a result of that, what happened? Industrial revolution happened. Then population began to increase. What is that? The population of European nations began to increase. The population of European nations began to increase. When the population began to increase, the demand for consumer items began to increase. The demand of consumer items began to increase. Consumer items means those items which were used by the consumers began to increase. When the demand for consumer goods began to increase, when the demand for consumer goods began to increase, that really leads to industrial revolution, political stability. Political stability means during the time of industrial revolution, what was that? During the time of industrial revolution, the government of European nations were good. The government of European nations were good during the time of industrial revolution. During the time or during the days of industrial revolution, the governments of European nations were very good. The governments. As a result of this one, industrial revolution happened in the land of Europe. Then transport system. The transport system of Europe was very good. Transport system. That is, waterways, airways and road transport began to improve during the time of industrial revolution. During the time of industrial revolution, the transport system of Europe began to develop far better than in any other time. The transport system of Europe was well developed as compared to other areas of the world. Industrial revolution started in England for the first time. First of all, industrial revolution started in the land of Europe for the first time. And inside the land of Europe, it was in England that industrial revolution began to spread. It was in the land of England that industrial revolution began to develop far better than in any other countries of the world. That is the speciality of industrial revolution. From the land of England, what happened? From the land of England, industrial revolution began to spread to other parts of the world. All types of industries began to develop. Textile industry. Textile industry began to develop in the land of Europe. Textile industry. Textile industry developed in the land of land of England also. James Hargreaves. James Hargreaves was a famous inventor of this time. He did invent spinning jenny. Spinning jenny was invented by James Hargreaves. The invention of spinning jenny provided more speed to the textile industry of Britain. Then Richard Arkwright. Found out water frame. He invented water frame. Richard Arkwright invented water frame in the land of India. Then Edmund Arkwright, invented power loom also. What is that? James Hargreaves invented spinning jenny. James Hargreaves. Richard Arkwright invented water frame. James Watt was a famous scientist. He invented which one? Steam engine. And Edmund invented power loom. All these inventions increased the speed of industrial revolution in England. From the land of England, industrial revolution began to spread to other parts of the world. Dear children, once more I will repeat the same thing. One more time I will repeat the same thing. We have to learn about the last part of the lesson, modern Europe. We have to learn, or we have to study the last part of the lesson, modern Europe. We should learn industrial revolution. What is a revolution that we have to think? What is a revolution now? What is the meaning of the word revolution that we have to think? What is revolution and what is the meaning of the word revolution that we have to think? What is revolution? Revolution means a basic or fundamental change in any field is known as revolution. A basic or fundamental change in any field is known as revolution. It may be in the field of production of industrial goods. It may be in the field of production of agricultural goods. It may be in the field of production of seafood items, marine items. It may be in the case of increase of production of milk products. It may be in the case of production of increase of egg product. Water may be. Revolution means a basic change. A basic change is known as which one? Revolution. A basic or fundamental change is known by the name revolution. Industrial revolution means a basic or fundamental change that happened in the field of industrial production is known as industrial revolution. See, in the beginning, in the land of Europe, items were produced with the hand only with the hand. But gradually people began to produce items with machine. Total production of items began to increase. Total production of items began to increase. Total production of items. What were the reasons of industrial revolution that we are studying? What were the important or major reasons of industrial revolution? First one, inventions that happened during the Renaissance period. During the Renaissance period, so many inventions happened in Europe. Those inventions were the real reason for the outbreak of industrial revolution. Second one, European countries. European countries were very rich. The rich European countries began to use their money in the industrial field. Then industrial revolution happened. Then population of Europe began to increase. Population of Europe began to increase or improve. When population of Europe began to increase or improve, they were in need of more and more consumer goods. When the need of consumer goods began to increase, industrial revolution happened. Political stability of Europe. In the land of England, a very good government was there. The government of England was very good. Government of England was very good. When the government of England was very good, that helped the arrival of industrial revolution in Europe. Transport facilities. Transport system of England was very good. Transport method or transport system of England was highly developed. Transport system. Then what is that? Water transport, air transport, and road transport, etc. were highly developed during the time of industrial revolution. Because of that what happened. Industrial revolution happened in the land of England. It was in the land of England that industrial revolution started for the first time in Europe. From England, industrial revolution began to spread to other countries of Europe. From the land of Europe, industrial revolution spread to other countries of the world. In the case of textile industry and other manufacturing industry, industrial revolution was there. James Hargreaves invented spinning jenny. Richard Arkwright invented water frame. These two inventions increased the productivity of textile industry. James Watt was another scientist. James Watt invented steam engine. Invention of steam engine brought a sudden change in the production of industrial goods in the land of Europe. Edmund Burke invented power loom. With the invention of power loom also, production in the textile industries of England began to increase. So, industrial revolution countries of Europe. Dear children, what I told you, revolution means a rapid or a basic and fundamental change. A rapid or basic or fundamental change is known as revolution. Industrial revolution means, in the beginning, items were produced with the hand only in the land of England. Gradually, people began to use machines to produce items. Gradually, people began to use machines to produce items. As a result of the use of machines, industrial production began to increase. As a result of the use of machines, industrial production began to increase in the land of Europe. This is known as Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution started for the first time in the land of England. From the land of England, Industrial Revolution spread to other countries of Europe. Dear children, I do hope that you understood this video. You observe this video and you read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you please call me. Thank you.